A lot of people wonder if chiropractic adjustments hurt, especially if they've never been adjusted before. And the truth is, there's so many different techniques within chiropractic, and many of them are extremely gentle and do not hurt at all. There are techniques that can be used on babies, on kids, on elderly individuals, people with sensitive bodies. So at Clear Communities, we offer accessible, affordable chiropractic care, and we offer techniques that are super duper gentle, especially if you've never been adjusted or if you're nervous about the adjustment. We will walk you through every step of the process so you know exactly what to expect and so that it is a totally comfortable experience for you and for your family.